past me.
Go on, mate.
Yeah, I think I'm in the last one. Yeah, someone ready to push up to me, don't follow me. Yeah, I got him. Yeah.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good, mate. I'm good, mate. Hey! No! I try to get up that building.
They can see me. Yeah, go for it then, Josh.
The building, yeah?
If you can. Oh shit, hold there. Go, 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 go!
Come on, attacking team, let's fucking go!
Aha!
All buildings are targets,
Yeah, yeah.
so just push them off, keep pushing them off. Have we got anything around the corner here?
You're clearing this.
Can't see anything here, mate.
Right, demo charge in. Come on, attacking team, let's go!
Watch off our right. Josh, there's one moving from your right, left. Reloading.
Start taking. Right, let's go. I'm going to move to that principal part, ready? Can I get? Come on, go. You coming? Yeah. There go. Cross it. Come on, people, let's get some answers here. Nice.
Right.
To the left.
There's one in there somewhere.
If I move to that cover, do you reckon you could draw them out?
There's one in the building. Run behind me.
We can get into that tower.
Josh, you can get to that cover.
Attacking team, we're at the back, let's go!
Get to that cover, Josh. That one there.
Behind this wood pile here.
There's another.
Arrows back to my what?
Dale, there's another. Now, Josh, get into that cover. Go, go, hey!
Oh, well taken.
Dale,
Where are we looking, gang? Oh yeah. He's back left of that blue cover.
get him. Oh.
Grenade! One's moved to the green cover behind this building here, to the right. And you've got one still in that right close to you.
Okay, that's the
Reload it.
power.
Hit!
Back to bunker 3. Back in.
Lovely.
Right side. About 3. Where are they, Ben?
Go around that side, you'll be able to get a shot on him.
You got it to him.
Still down. Still peeking. I can see.
Right side of the field behind the market, mate. Got him, he's down. Push it, push it. He's out. Someone in here. Has this been cleared?
Huh?
Has this been cleared?
I don't know.
That's it. Yeah.
Come in here, mate. Get in there, Josh.
Wow, that mate.
Isn't it? Get close right, Josh. Close right. Yeah.
Just run that way.
Yeah.
Walking through that other side of the road. I got him.
Watch your left, Josh. Right, I'm going to push this side, you watch that. Yeah, they're moving through the back of the woods. Yeah. Nice one. Yeah.
There we go.
Let build.
Run in. Fucking me, I'm a horse, me.
Yeah.
I wouldn't run over that bridge though.
No, don't run over.
Go
No,
slowly.
not the bridge.
Go, man. Mind your step on that bridge, guys.
Tasha!
All right, darling.
I'm good.
Hit. What's the bunker? Inside the bunker.
I think so. Where is he?
Overlook. No, I'm going to run that.
Yeah.
We should spread out.
Is there no one in it?
No.
To the right. C4 going in.
Ah. Oh, there you are. Shoot him. Yeah, shoot him.
got people in there. Do you want to try and start flanking around? Or do you want me to go? I'd be cautious by the road. They've probably got shooters on the other side of the road.
Yeah, there you go. They are inside, they are inside.
Right, fucking keep the how many windows is that in here? Is just that one? Or is there one on the front as well?
There is one small one on the front, which he's now opening. Yeah.
Right, if I can get up there, I'll just whack my grenade through the door and blow them both up.
Right.
Can you?
Go, 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 go.
No. See that window on the left there?
Someone cover the right window, I've got the left.
Yeah, do you want to cover the one on the right? See it behind the tree there. Okay. I'm gonna, my guy over here. This bunker here. No, stay where you are, stay where you are. So this bunker here, we're gonna have them, okay?
Someone cover both the windows.
Let's go. Go in.
I got you, mate.
Oh my god, fuck no.
Open the window and expect us not to kill him.
He did well, he did fucking well. Whoa, dead man!
Keep it covered, keep it covered.
Yeah.
I'm reloading.
Watch the left side.
Last bunker, guys.
Yeah. Still is.
Hello!